little wooden fucking polycarbonate composite path here.
Gotta try to play some regular board.
Yeah. Oh, that motherfucker's running, dripping pretty good.
You get up there, get inside, but have you slicker and help try to get that thing.
Oh yeah. That's where you usually go up. Right up there. I remember this was full of water, usually. Fucking usually can't get across it unless you want to go swimming.
You could come down here today, it was really raining.
Yeah. There's one on the right, usually drips better. And one on the left, which is this one. There's usually a lot more water. Holy fuck!
Get my camera ready to...
Yeah. Get a video shot going. Eee, nasty. Yeah, that sucks. I can't get up there, I don't think. Got up to the top. Fucking chunk of ice is huge. Record, here we go. Got my helmet cam on here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Do the long trick here. Fucking lens cover keeps swinging in the way. The Whitward. Oh shit. Not too slow to do one-handed. Fucking ice. Yeah. Well, it sunk, it went in. This shit here is pretty solid. Standing on a fucking rock. Let's see how good it does. Yeah, it ain't too friggin' bad. Right there at the edge. Got another one. Oh shit. Oh, that's just neat. Billeting with ice. Holy fuck. Look at that shit. Wow. Trying to protect my camera here from the wetness.